What's up everybody, it's the Average Cook here. Today we're going to be making cheesy chicken veggie soup. So basically it's like a chicken flavored soup, but it doesn't have any chicken in it. But Average Cook, I think I might want to throw some chicken in there afterwards, but we'll see. But we'll make the soup first and then we'll see if we want to throw that chicken in, because I do have some chicken legs just chilling in the refrigerator right now and I'm thinking about using it. So we'll see, let's go.
The first thing you want to do is combine the chicken broth, chicken bouillon cubes, and water in the slow cooker. Next thing you want to do is take some potatoes and dice them. And then you'll also want to dice some celery up. You'll also want to dice up 3 cups of carrots, whether it's regular carrots or bad carrots. As you can see, I use the mini ones. Also not shown, but you'll see later on, you'll also want to dice up 2 cups of onions. At this point, you'll want to add all of your diced vegetables into the slow cooker. That includes your carrots, potatoes, celery, and onions. For this particular recipe, I used red onions instead of regular onions, but I'm sure you can use whatever onions that you feel comfortable with. Next, you'll want to add about 10 ounces of frozen whole kernel corn. And finally, before you turn on the slow cooker, you want to add your 2 cans of cream of chicken soup into the slow cooker. Once everything is added, mix very well. Like I said, add a couple of pieces of chicken in the refrigerator, already thawed out. Might as well add them, see what happens. Once done, you can set the crock pot to 10 to 12 hours. I'm doing 10. So now we're about 30 minutes from the finish line, and everything looks good, and it also smells good. Once you're toward the end of the timer, you'll want to take a half a pound of Velveeta cheese and then cube it, and then throw them into the slow cooker. Once you throw the cheese into the soup, you'll want to stir until the cheese is completely melted.
So our cheesy chicken veggie soup is ready, so we're going to go ahead and give it a little taste test.
Hot. My apologies for the slurping. It's a hot soup.
Actually, that's not too bad. Actually, that's pretty good. It's hot. Whew. Vegetables are nice and tender. The meat is not mushy. Actually, that's pretty good. This is pretty good. Yeah. If you're looking for a soup to partake in on a cold morning, afternoon, or night, this will work. This will definitely work. Until it cools down. I'm just getting a little bit more, real quick. My little bites. That was pretty good. I'll mess with this. It's pretty good. All right. I'm not gonna eat it no more. Wait.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So here's my final conclusion. This was a pretty good dish. The chicken was tender, the vegetables were good, the flavor was awesome. I messed with this recipe. As a matter of fact, I will be making this again. Not sure when, but I will be making this again. It was real good. I ate all of it by myself, so that should tell you something. Not only did I have this for dinner, but I also took some to work for lunch as well. Overall, I do recommend this. If you want to add the chicken, you can. You don't have to. Recipe does not call for chicken. Thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you. Peace.